The Gwalior High Court has cancelled the election of Congress MLA Mukesh Malhotra from Vijaypur constituency. The decision came after a petition filed by BJP leader and former Minister Ram Nivas Rawat. In the petition, Rawat alleged that Malhotra hid details about his criminal cases while filing his nomination during the by-election. According to the complaint, Malhotra had 6 criminal cases registered against him but mentioned only 2 in his nomination papers. The court said candidates must give full and correct information to voters. After this order, the election result has been declared invalid. A controversy has started over the voter list in the Narela Assembly area of Bhopal after the special intensive revision process. Former Chief Minister Digvijay Singh visited the state election office and submitted documents to the Election Commission. He claimed that there are serious irregularities in the voter list. According to him, some houses with only 6 to 8 residents have 30 to 40 voters registered at the same address. Singh also submitted sworn statements from 3 house owners to support his claim. He demanded a proper investigation and correction of the voter list to ensure fair and transparent elections. Retired army officers have started protesting against the central government's decision to impose income tax on disability pension of ex-servicemen. In a press conference held in Bhopal, retired Major General Shyam Srivastava spoke on the issue. He is also the state president of the Congress ex-servicemen cell. Srivastava said that the decision is unfair to soldiers who sacrifice their health for the country. He also criticized the Agnipath scheme and the Agniveer system. According to him, the scheme may weaken India's military strength because soldiers serve for a shorter period and may not gain enough experience. A massive fire broke out in a wheat field near Chipabad in the Khirkia area of Harda on Monday. The field is located near the Harda-Khandwa State Highway. Due to the fire, wheat crops spread across nearly 50 acres were completely destroyed. Farmers suffered heavy losses as the crops were ready for harvest. After receiving information, the fire brigade, police and local administration rushed to the spot and started efforts to control the flames. The exact cause of the fire is still not clear. Officials are investigating the incident and assessing the damage caused to the farmers. Around 8,000 junior doctors working in government medical colleges across Madhya Pradesh have started a strike demanding a stipend revision. The increase was supposed to be implemented from April 1, 2025, but it is still pending. Because of this delay, doctors launched a collective protest. At Gandhi Medical College, junior doctors have boycotted OPD services and routine surgeries. As a result, patients are facing serious problems and long waiting lines in hospitals. The Junior Doctor Association warned that the strike will continue until the government announces the revised stipend and clears the pending decision. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav said the Bharatiya Janata Party has become the largest political party in the world. He made the statement during a training program held at the BJP divisional office in Jabalpur. The event is part of the Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Training Campaign 2026. Several leaders including State BJP President Hemant Khandelwal and Deputy Chief Minister Rajendra Shukla attended the meeting. Party workers are being trained in ideology, organizational skills and leadership. The program also includes discussion, workshops and yoga sessions. Heat has started early this March in Madhya Pradesh. The temperature during the first week of March is already about 3 degrees Celsius above normal. In cities of the Malwa and Nimar regions, including Indore and Ujjain, the temperature has reached around 39 degrees Celsius. On Rangpanchami, the highest temperature was recorded in Ratlam. Strong sunlight was also seen in Bhopal, Gwalior and Jabalpur. Senior weather scientist Divya E. Surendran said temperatures are above normal and similar weather will continue for 4 to 5 days due to western disturbance.